Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Donboxing, and I have for you today the Fosi Audio DS2. Yes, after my review of the PH05, I've asked them if it would be so kindly to send the DS2 over, because the spec sheet of this reads really nicely. This is the 2023 or 24 version, and that uses the no longer the old ESS chip. No, this uses the new one, and that means this thing has, let me quickly look up, total harmonic distortion of 0.0001% with a noise level of smaller 0.6. I don't know what UV means, like it's not smaller than micro, so it's really small. And a signal noise ratio of 130 decibel, which is really good. And adding to this, in output power wise, single-ended, it's only 130 milliamperes. Like, I mean, who cares, right? It's okay. But balanced, baby, ooh, this thing manages 510 milliwatts. That is pretty impressive. And really, when I read this, I was like, okay, this seems to be a very impressive piece of hardware for the price point. And that's why I even asked them if they could send it over. And yeah, very thankful that they did, so I can take a look at this. That's the packaging. Seems to be alright, like pretty similar to most other dongles that I have had at similar price points. And you slide this out. Beneath you have the user manual, which we take a very quick look at. Indicator, volume, operation, signal noise ratio, recommended headphones, single-ended, balanced the same. Yeah, I'm not sure. Interestingly, you can already see something. Total harmonic distortion here says 0.002 instead of 1. So that's slightly different from the official specs that I could find. But yeah, this seems to be alright so far. Everything seems to be documented. I see no missing points here. So then let's take a look what else we get. I would say first we take a look at the actual dongle, right? Let's check that out. So, this is feeling very solid. Honestly, for this price point of like 50 to 60 bucks, wow. It feels really sturdy in my hand. The additional indentation or hollowing out here is probably for structural reasons, so this doesn't bend so much. But overall, like the gaps around it, again, they are visible, but they are not too big. And if I press it also, nothing happens. Also in this direction, no flex whatsoever. And then the buttons here, plus and minus. Let's give them a quick press test. Nice pressure point sound. Let's check it out. Has a good click feeling to it, I like that. And of course, as usual, high-res audio certified. Yes, that's very important, ladies and gentlemen. Everything needs to be high-res audio certified. And other than that, what do we get here? Let's take a look at the quick accessories. Zup. USB A to C converter. USB-C to C cable with this twisted style here. Yeah, this seems to be alright. The strain release here again is, it's solid plastic, alright? This doesn't release any strain, not so great. But overall, it's not so thin. The twisting is not the best job, I have to admit. But for the price point, it's totally fine. And the actual sleeves around the USB-C here, I think are also aluminum. Let's take a quick look color comparison here. Yeah, it's not exactly the same, alright, but it goes similar. And let's plug that in to check out how that's working. Nice and firm USB-C port. Oh yeah, and the last but not least, on top we have a 3.5 and a 4.4 balanced output. Yeah, so that's the unboxing. It's pretty alright in terms of unboxing for the price point. Build quality seems to be good. And yeah, I will listen to this now or in the future and then make my review in the next couple days. And hope you enjoyed this one. If you have questions, if you have recommendations, if you have criticisms, please leave a comment. And with this, Donspektor.